On December 17, 2025, officers responded to an O'Reilly Auto Parts store in Mountain Home, Arkansas, after employees reported a vehicle that had been running in the parking lot for nearly 2 hours. This is how it went down.
I'm gonna talk to, see if I can talk to a caller. Hey, did you guys call us about, is it the black Jeep? Is that what I was told?
They pulled up like 2 hours ago and they've just been sitting there.
You ain't seen nobody get in and out of it or nothing? Didn't notice anybody slip out or?
Nope. We've knocked on the window a couple times. I peered through the window. It looked like somebody looked up at me, but they won't roll the window down or anything. So I don't know what's going on with them.
They just been sitting there 2 hours, huh?
Running the whole time, pretty much. I think they shut it off at one point, but it wasn't off long.
And nobody knows who it belongs to or nothing?
No idea.
Don't recognize it?
Nope. It just rolled up and parked there.
Okay. Well, I will go and see what I can find out.
All right.
33, go ahead and start my way. I got a melon here, it's not waking up. Hey! Hey!
Yeah, breathing?
That's 10-4. He just looked at me. It's possibly code 2. Hey, Mountain Home Police! Put the window down, bud. I just need to talk to you. You good? Can you put the window down? Please. I can't hear you. Put the window down. Come on. Oh, put the window down.
Hey, get out! Get out! Get out of the car! Right, get out! Get out of the car!
Open the fucking door!
Get out!
Open the door now!
Open the door!
He's fucked up on something.
Open the door!
Open the door, I'm gonna bust your window! Put it
Open
down
the
now!
Door! You're
Because
not
we
driving
said.
away!
Put it down now! Nope.
Get out!
Yep, he's about to roll into the back of one of our police cars.
Get out! Do you have a window breaker? Well, get out!
Watch out, bro.
Break it. You're good.
Hey! Open the fucking door!
Open the door!
Open it now!
Hold on, I will! Open it! Open the door! You good? I can't see shit.
My eye. Yeah.
Hold on! You better show me the hands!
Get your hands up!
Hold on!
Open it now!
Open this door!
Give me a second!
Open it!
Now, we gave you a second! Open!
Try to break it more.
Hey!
Open the fucking door!
Oh, you just hit me!
Open the door!
Please stop!
Open it!
I'm trying!
Now!
Open the door! Show me the hands.
Hey!
Show me your hands. Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out!
Hold
I'm
on,
gonna tase you.
I'm getting out!
I'm gonna tase you.
I'm getting
Get out! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Hold on!
Give me your hand!
Okay! What did I do?
Give me your hand, dude.
Put your hand out. I'm trying to. I can't.
Get me your hand.
Got me on it.
Tough.
What did I do to you?
Don't move. Just sit right there.
I got him.
We got one person. What did I do?
You're passed out behind the wheel. You kept ignoring me. You rolled the window up on me when I asked you to talk to me. And then you backed into a damn police car.
Just roll aside.
Stand by. Stand by. Get this hand. Get this hand. Get this hand. I can't get up. Hold on. I'm trying to get up.
Nope.
Yeah. I'm trying to get up.
Brass knuckles. That's what, yeah.
That way you're trying to reach
Some in
your
here
pocket.
too.
Ow, hold
I
on.
don't know what this is.
What you been taking?
Nothing.
Nothing. Dude, I was beating on your window.
Whole bag.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dude, I was beating on your fucking window, man. I couldn't get you to wake up. They said you've been parked here, passed out for 2 hours.
Brother, I just pulled up here.
No, man, you've been here passed out for 2 hours.
It hurts, it hurts. Please help me.
No.
Please help me, get me up, please. Ow!
We're sticking
Ow, it hurts,
right, good.
Now get up on your knees. Get up on your knees.
I can't.
Roll up.
Dude.
Ah!
What are you doing, dude?
Oh, it hurts!
Get on your
Sit up.
knees. There you
Oh, please, God damn it, loosen the cuffs,
Dude,
please.
chill.
Dude, they're hurting bad.
go. Yeah, I gotta hold on, dude. I'm
Be
not
still, dude.
knock it off,
Yeah,
dude.
knock
Quit.
it off. Chill. Hey,
Chill. I gotta.
be still so we can get him off. Hey,
Dude,
just
you
relax.
breathe.
Relax. Alright, be
Hey,
still.
dude, holy shit,
Be
man.
still, man. He's gonna loosen, just be still.
Good call, parking there, by the way.
Yeah.
Appreciate that.
There, I shouldn't have.
Better?
All right.
There.
Push car.
Let me throw him mine.
Am I
Oh.
phone?
I'd give him one more.
Yeah, there's something right there.
Grand Cherokee, no tags.
Syringe.
Oh yeah. It's a BB gun, yeah.
I mean, you almost died today. You don't even realize it.
ain't even real.
Yeah, you were starting to grab it, your car.
I hate heavy tint.
Yeah. I couldn't. That's why I was like, Jason, break
That's
him off.
why
'Cause
I
I
got,
can't
I
see.
got a hole big enough that I
couldn't
could
even
that
see
way
him.
I could see in. Well, he's just reaching all around.
Yeah.
BB gun sitting up in the seat.
And he's trying to reach back here, and then we found a pair of brass knuckles and a knife.
Brown wallet.
All right, go ahead and take a seat.
Please.
Yeah, we'll get it.
The way I
Ton of cash in here.
If there's that much cash with the drugs, call Bird and see what he wants to do with that.
I need to go rinse my eyes out.
Go see if they have an eye wash station. I guarantee you they do.
That's a good idea. Do you guys have like an eye wash station by chance?
Yes.
So $5,070.
$5,070.
Yep.
Oh yeah. So right here's from the attorney. It's an insurance settlement for $8,574 that was cashed on 12/11/25.
Probably what's left then.
Yeah.
So that's probably what's left.
You want to take that with the cash?
Mixing with body armor.
He's obviously on stuff. He's intoxicated, and we got an ID on the guy or anything.
I think it's Ian Beck.
You guys me transporting him. Go ahead and get him out. Well, appreciate you guys helping. 32 dispatch. I'll be 15 one time with a male 19 to the jail.
Ian Beck was arrested and charged with obstructing governmental operations, driving while intoxicated, possession of a controlled substance meth or cocaine, refusal to submit to arrest, refusal to submit to a chemical test, and a parole violation. His bond was set at $10,000. Ian Beck posted bond on December 30th, 2025, and was scheduled to appear in court on January 5th, 2026. However, the hearing was rescheduled to February 2nd due to inclement weather. And on February 2nd, 2026, Beck failed to appear in Baxter County Circuit Court, and a warrant was issued for his arrest. According to court records, his last known whereabouts were in the state of Arizona. If you enjoyed this video and would like more content, give us a like, feel free to comment, and subscribe for justice.